Welcome to our channel. If you want to transfer your music library from Mac to YouTube Studio, follow these simple steps to upload your audio content effectively. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio by going to studio.youtube.com and signing in with your YouTube account credentials. Step 2. On your Mac, locate your music library folder. This is typically found in the Music app or in your user directory under Music. Step 3. Select the audio files you want to upload to YouTube. Make sure the files are in supported formats like MP3, WAV, or AAC. Step 4. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button in the top right corner, then select Upload Videos from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Drag and drop your selected music files from your Mac into the upload window, or click Select Files to browse and choose them manually. Step 6. Add titles, descriptions, and tags for each audio file. You can also create visual elements or use static images as video backgrounds for your audio content. Step 7. Set privacy settings for each upload, choosing between public, unlisted, or private options depending on your preference. Step 8. Click Publish to complete the upload process. Your music library will now be available on YouTube through your channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.